So welcome to this second video of Jake's. Hilda is rapidly escalating. You can see a very well formed eyes form. This is Hilda's has developed a very well defined eye surrounded by rapidly cooling cloud tops. You can see with the black divorce, you can see some unusually cold cloud tops. Holy crap. And you can see a cold medium gray and some cold dark gray cloud tops are developing as we speak, and as such I think the system is honestly, I zoomed in too much. Here you can see the CDO sticking quite a bit now. The system's honestly, if the system continues to thicken, the system can honestly find its way itself into around mid-grade catchway 4 intensity. SAB broke the constraints for the second time this year, like the first few times in my lifetime. And following the evac hurricane, the SAB broke constraints and gave the system a 5.5, 102 knots with a DT of 6.0, 115 knots. I could guarantee to someone else like an hour ago. And you can see this hurricane all of a sudden is very well formed, and it appears to be in like this hurricane appears to be in Amanda mode. You can see kind of water vapor. You can see out of nowhere like this very, very warm eye kind of pops up. You can see some very good alpha. Even though the eastern side of the storm, there is no eastern like alpha channel. If there was, this one would really be bombing out like in Wilma mode. But I mean, it's not in Wilma mode. It's probably in Amanda mode. And the very cold cloud tops have expanded, and this hurricane's probably going to be a catchway 4. Probably at least be a catchway 3 in the next ADCF update. The way this is escalating. And the ANG just updated their ADCF file and put intensity of 9 knots, which is probably conservative and probably maybe revised by the advisory time to around 100 knots. You can see all out of nowhere this hurricane just escalating. Out of nowhere, a few frames ago. You probably see it best in the AVN here. You can see out of nowhere. Then all of a sudden you see these very cold cloud tops expanding. And you can see the CDO becoming much more organized. And you can see the eye rapidly warming too. And honestly, it's probably making it like, it's probably about time, it probably will reach catchway 4 intensity. And it's maybe at 100 knots at the advisory time the way this is going. Because you can see this is all of a sudden out of nowhere. None of the global models anticipate this at all, which is quite amazing. The storm is in bomb out mode and Wilma mode. Not Wilma mode, but Amanda mode, rather. And is probably going to make a run. Now, is the storm a threat to Hawaii? Yes, but probably not any more or less of a threat than it was several hours ago. Before this bombed out. It's actually pretty amazing because 50 knots. This was 50 knots by according to ANC 9 hours ago. So, and boy, this has escalated quickly. Anyhow, that's it for now. This will probably be much stronger by the time you're watching this video. Bye.